Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this cheerful Oh Happy Day card using the Kindest Expressions stamp set and some of our new in colors. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. Okay, I'm ready to stamp for my project, and I'm going to bring in my Patina Pop, ink up my sentiment, and stamp it right in the center of my basic white cardstock. There you go. Just a beautiful color, the Petunia Pop. I'm going to cut this out with my die and then we'll assemble. While I was at my Stampin' Cut and Emboss, I cut out a coordinating layer to go with my sentiment. And now I'm going to bring in my Petunia Pop cardstock and my 3 pieces of Designer Series paper. Now I'm going to start with the first 2 pieces here, and first I want to make sure that that is the order that I cut them in. And it looks to be correct, so I'm going to flip these over and add some adhesive to the back. I like to do the first and the bottom layer before I add the center one so that I can adjust as needed by spreading the gap in between the top and the bottom. So I've got the bottom panel on there and I'm bringing in the top. There we go. And now I'm ready for the third one. And of course I could dry fit this if I'd like and adjust the top and bottom since I've used the multi-purpose glue if I needed to. But there we go, quick and easy and nice even lines. And of course you can use your grid paper also to do this if you would like. I'm going to take my card front now, fold it on the score line and burnish, and then I'm going to adhere my panel down to the card front. Don't you love the Summer Splash and the Petunia Pop together? They're just so pretty. Next, I'm going to bring in this beautiful glimmer paper, and I'm simply going to adhere this down onto my card front. I'm going to put it slightly above center and adhere. And then I'm going to take my sentiment, flip it over, and add some Stampin' Dimensionals. Now, the glimmer paper does have some texture to it, so I want a strong adhesive so that it will adhere well when I place it on my card front. I'm going to remove the backings, flip this over, and adhere it right in the center of that beautiful glimmer paper. I'm going to bring in my In Color resin dots. They come in all 5 colors, and for this project I'm going to use an assortment of colors since I've got the Pretty in Pink, the Petunia, and the Summer Splash. I'm going to add a little exclamation point here to the bottom of my stamped image, and then I'm going to take one of the Pretty in Pink and add it up here to the top left corner. I'm going to take a Petunia Pop, and let's see, I'm going to add that up here, and then I'm going to take one of the Summer Splash and and add it down here in the bottom left. And I'm going to take another of my Pretty in Pink and add it over here on the right hand side. That gives me 5 embellishments, which is an odd number, which is always pleasing to the eye. So there you go, a quick and easy card using the fun Kindest Expressions stamp set. I just love this stamp set with its bold sentiments and all occasion greetings. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.